Hi, Larissa here with a pop tip from Sapanca, Turkey. So it's the end of April, but there is snow everywhere on this mountain. So I'm on a ski lift enjoying nature. And recently I was listening to a podcast that said nature can actually improve your health. There's research studies that show that patients in hotel rooms where they have views out the window of trees and grass actually have faster recovery times. And there's even, I forget which one, but they said there's one hospital in the US now that doctors are even prescribing nature to patients to improve their recovery time. So get out and enjoy nature as often as possible to boost your health and immunity. And there is Sapanca.